What's up everyone, my name is Nicolette and today I'm going to be briefly explaining how to measure barbells, specifically straight and curved barbells. So a straight barbell is going to look like this, where it has a ball on each end and just a straight bar. A curved barbell is going to be pretty similar. It's going to have a ball on each end, but it's actually curved on the bar part. And then a labret, which is gonna look like this. It's a little hard to see, but it's usually got a flat back and then either a ball or a gem top. So the part that you actually measure with all of these is just the bar part. So you don't measure the balls, you measure in between the balls. So showing you on one of these really amazing measuring cards that you get with every UBJ order. This straight barbell right here, I'm going to align the inside of the ball, so starting with the seam of the ball and the barbell at the 0, and go ahead and measure up to where that barbell ends before the ball starts. So this one right here is a 5/8 inch straight barbell. So that's how you would measure a straight barbell. With a curved barbell, it's pretty much the same thing. So what we're gonna do is, for this one, I'm actually gonna put it on the card, and I'm just gonna position it so that seam of the ball and the barbell is also at 0, and just measure up to where that seam is again on the top. So this one is a curved barbell measuring at 3/8 of an inch. And then lastly, labret. So this is gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna put it off to the side just so you can kind of see how I line it up here. So you're gonna line up the seam of the flat back and where the barbell starts. So kind of like at that T with the 0. And then measure up to where the seam between the barbell and the ball is. So this one right here is a labret measuring at 5/16. If you have any questions, you can feel free to let us know in the comments, and we are happy to help you out with measuring any piece of jewelry that you have that you're maybe questioning. Thanks so much for watching.